Okay, this is the in-game review of the Astro A50.
Let's get you reeled up.
Let that guy in his big head.
Positional audio seems okay.
Enemy turret out there.
Well, actually it's a little flat. Wow. Yeah, I'm not loving the positional audio.
Takes a lick.
I mean, I guess I'm kind of hearing directions, but mostly just right and left. And that is causing some difficulties. Not that I'd be doing any better otherwise, but it's not helping. So I'm going to switch to the virtual surround mode. Kind of sounds hollow, like all of a sudden we're in an amphitheater or something. And I'm getting much more positional audio. I can't deny that. Much more positional audio, sounds better overall, I think. But I don't love how it kind of makes everything sound so echoey, you know? It sounds like we're in a basketball stadium or something, and that's not how the game's supposed to sound. I just, personally, I don't love how that makes games sound, so I'm not a fan of that personally. So this is the in-game review using the Astro A50 USB driver or native adapter mode instead of going with the optical input like I was doing last time, which has some influences on it. Of course, it's depending on my creative sound card to do all the encoding and everything for it. I don't have Dolby Digital Live or anything, so really optical sound is probably not the best option for me anyway, admittedly, but I thought I would do a review anyway with the optical just to give an idea, and now I'm doing the USB driver, so I think it's probably a more fair review anyway. So right now I'm using the non-virtual surround mode. It sounds okay. It actually sounds a little bit better than it did before on the optical. Not quite sure why that's the case, but it sounds a little louder, maybe a little crisper. A little bit more detail in the
You trying to impress me?
In the direction. So now I'm going to turn on virtual surround. Alright, so virtual surround is on. You know, that's interesting. It's not as drastic of a difference as it was before
Behind you.
with the optical. I'm not sure why that's the case. But, I mean, I am hearing a little bit of a difference.
Knock me down and I'll keep
And maybe it's just this map and the fact that we're all Soldier 76 on the Brawl this week, but... No, okay, I'm hearing more of a difference now. Especially out in the distance, I'm hearing stuff that I wasn't hearing before. Wow. That was close. So yeah, I am hearing better direction. You know, in general, it just seems like it sounds so much better than it did with the optical. And I don't know how to explain that.
What needs some healing?
I think the biggest difference is in Windows, it's now showing up as a headphone instead of a two-channel speaker. So maybe that's part of it. It's tuning it better for the sound range that headphones usually have. So,
Mission ain't over
all right,
yet.
that should do it.